Brought to you by Yahweh World TV, let's delve into a common conundrum. Have you ever found yourself knee-deep in clothes and travel gear, clueless about how to accommodate everything? Well, no more worries. We present you quick tips and tricks to transform the chore of bag packing into a smooth process. Start by laying out everything you plan to pack. Viewing it all in one space enables you to sort out your priorities. The key tip is to roll, not fold. Rolling clothes not only maximizes space, but also minimizes wrinkles. Heard about packing cubes yet? They're every traveler's secret weapon, ensuring your bag remains neat and compact. Here's another tip. Always place heavier items at the bottom. This keeps your bag stable and avoids the crushing of lighter items. Last but not least, remember to spare a little space for souvenirs. After all, what's travel without a keepsake to treasure the journey by? There you go, bag packing simplified for you. Safe travels.